Faithful, here we go.
What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park.
So the reason they call it Old Faithful is because it's faithfully erupting about the same time every day. Yellowstone is considered a supervolcano.
Since the year 2000, Old Faithful has been fairly predictable and erupts every 44 minutes to 2 hours. And as you can see, people are starting to line up to watch the eruption. I actually went to an area where there wasn't people standing, and you'll see what happens here in a few moments. But Old Faithful decided to soak me, but stay tuned, you'll see it's coming up here.
Old Faithful got me. Oh man, Old Faithful erupted right in my direction. Ain't no fun. Ooh, that was cold, wet, everything. See if I can get a better angle on it. This thing's egg. Rotten egg. So, when Old Faithful just erupted, it was nuts.
Alright, so after getting drenched by Old Faithful, literally, the water was actually pretty cold. I was a little bit discombobulated about what had just happened, how that happened. It wasn't bad or anything, wasn't traumatic, but after I gathered my thoughts, I decided to walk around the rest of the area here, and it was a pretty good walk, and there's lots to see around here, so let's do that.
Man, I'm still shaking up after getting drenched by Old Faithful. Like came right at where I was standing. So now that I gathered my thoughts again about Old Faithful, you know, getting on anywhere 360 degrees and just having to go right where I was standing because of the wind. So, not too mad about it. It's just the water stank and was actually kind of cold. It wasn't as hot as I thought it was going to be. Infant Geyser. Where's all the buffalo? Oh, what do we got over there? Buffalo patties, but no buffalo yet. Where's the buffaloes? Oh, you gotta be somewhere around here. Haven't seen any wildlife. Got to stay on the trail out here. Where's all the Yellowstone wildlife? Oh, what do we got going on here? Oh. Touch any of that water. It's scalding hot. Look at that. Very colorful, huh? Pool. Double T? I don't know. That's cool. Here's some fast facts. Latin for gold, the geyser was named for the color of its iron oxide deposits. That's it right there. these little geysers. All these little geysers. Beach Spring. Observation point is over there. It's funny. I can't believe I got drenched by Old Faithful. What are the odds of that? If this is your first time at Island Hopper TV, you can subscribe, turn on the bell, get notified when we make a new video. I'm going to Montana next, hopefully. And thanks to everyone who's already liked the video. Look at that. You know, there's this one place here called Prismic Springs, or the Prismic Geyser, but I don't know where that's at. I wonder if it's here. Geyser. Lion Geyser Group. Cool. stepping inside there is quite amazing. There's Old Faithful. Gorgeous. There's the visitor center. It's a really modern, beautiful visitor center, but it's closed, as are most things due to the fact that the park closes tomorrow for the year, for the season. So, just barely got here just in time.
All right, everybody, that's going to conclude this episode from Old Faithful out here in Yellowstone National Park. Stick around for some of our other videos of the Grand Tetons and Yellowstone around the whole entire park. So check those videos out on this channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks to everyone who subscribes and likes these videos.